In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can format and even get rid of leader lines on your graphs in Microsoft Excel. So leader lines are just basically the lines that connects from your graph to the data label. And as you can see, for example, the west right here, you have this piece right here, it's just this line that connects from here to the 346. That's your leader line. So to edit the leader line, first just click on one of the leader lines in your graph like so. Then you can right click and then click on Format Leader Line. And if you want to just get rid of it completely, you can click on No Line at all. And as you can see, now there is no leader line right there. But you can go back to it and still edit it to be what you want it to be. So for example, if you want the leader line to be more clear, or instead of having it as a standard gray that it's in, you can have it be black. You can also make it transparent, more transparent or less transparent. You can make your leader line thicker. I don't know why you'd want it to be this thick, but you can do that if you want to. You can also adjust the compound type, so you can, so for example, I selected one of the ones with little space in two dashes. It looks like that. The thought here is you can just kind of edit it to be kind of what you want it to be. You can also adjust your dash type. So let's just say you wanted there to be a dashed line between between your graph and the data label. You can do that. There's a dash line between your graph and data label right there. You can even have an arrow to it too. You can basically adjust it like you can normal line, your normal lines. So then we have each data label pointing into the graph. You can also do the other way and have a data label and change the end arrow and have the data label have each piece be pointing to from the graph to the data label. You can also adjust the size of your arrow, so you can have like a massive arrow that's just pointing to your from your graph to your data lines, and do the same thing for the either direction too. Have an arrow going both ends. The thought here is you can just kind of edit the leader lines. You know, obviously this looks not what you want it to look like, but the thought here is you can customize it in the ways that are flexible. You can also have a glow pattern if you want to, for example. I'm not sure why you'd want to have a glow pattern on your leader line, but you can if you want to. You can also adjust the size of the glow, the transparency of the glow. You can also even have soft edges. And yeah, just kind of mess around with the formatting to have it be what you want it to look like. And that said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. Just wanted to kind of illustrate that there's some flexibility with customizing leader lines or getting rid of them entirely. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.